Call out is a phrasal verb with a number of different meanings. In the case of an emergency, this phrasal verb can mean to ask somebody to come to you. There was a bad leak in the family's roof and they needed to get it fixed. Dad, we need to call out a plumber as soon as possible. Yeah, it looks like it'll rain all night too. The backpackers' camping van broke down on the highway. It's getting dark. Anybody got a number for a breakdown service? Yeah, here you go. Ask them how much their call-out charge is. On their peacekeeping mission, an army division got attacked. We need to call out more troops immediately. Call out can also mean to criticize somebody publicly, usually because they are doing something wrong. The news reported that the president faced a backlash over last week's comments. On tonight at 9, we'll hear how the cabinet plan on calling the president out regarding last week's comments. Sophie has always been a bit jealous of Kate, so today Kate finally called her out. Sophie, this has to stop. If we are going to be friends, you can't act like this towards me. A customer approaches management in the retail shop because of the contradictions in their sale. You guys haven't dropped your prices, even though you have sale signs everywhere. I'm sorry, but I needed to call you out on this. So, to sum it all up, call out can mean to ask somebody to come to you, like, I need to call out the gas man to fix our boiler. To criticize somebody publicly, usually because they are doing something wrong. Like, I called my mother out on the way she kept telling me how to raise my child. Don't forget to like or comment on our video. For downloadable comics and mind maps, write-ups and more, visit EnglishLogica.com and join our growing community of English learners.